Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Realme Buds with your Android phone. So first of all, you have to open your charging case and locate this button, click and hold it, and wait until this indicator starts blinking. Now, when it starts, okay, it just turns off. Never mind, let's try to repeat. Just hold this button one more time and take a look for the small indicator. There we go, it starts blinking. So right now we just have to go to the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and from the list we have to select the Realme Buds Air Pro. And here we have to accept this pairing request. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.